Okay, for some of you guys that want to know how the magnetic wheels are made, I want to show you a little bit close-up of how they're made. This is an aluminum magnetic wheel. You can see I've got north, south, north, south, north, south, and so forth around the wheel. Here's another wheel I had a machinist make. You can see that the magnets are just dropped in, and then I put the screws over top so they'll be in position. On the bottom side, I've got another hole just in case I want to get the magnets back out. Sometimes the magnets are just a little bit snug, so I have to peck them out. But anyway, you can see how this wheel here is made. This is a 7-inch diameter wheel made out of aluminum. Over here is one I used for a while. I just made out of wood where the magnets had a center bore where I could just put a screw through the center of them. And you can see the other ones I have on the wall. That's a big magnetic wheel there. I believe that's, I'm not mistaken, that's an 18-inch diameter, and the magnets are like 1 inch long by 7/8 inch diameter. And over here, that one is a 24-inch diameter wheel. It has 1/2-inch magnets. See if I can get a close-up. You can see the 1/2-inch. I did have the magnets on the outer edge, and then I had some on the inner edge, which either way they work pretty good. And of course that's the copper pipe that I had on the other video. This one here is also one made out of a solid surface material. It works pretty good too. So the only thing better about the aluminum made in machine shop, it's pretty well balanced, so if you turn it at high speeds it doesn't vibrate. But I have made a few out of wood that work just as well. But I'll show you here in just a second of how this works. This is actually a wood shaper I've got here in my shop. And the motor is a 3 horsepower motor, 3,400 RPM, but I have the pulley now set on the slowest speed it will go. This has a slower speed and a high speed. I don't know the exact RPMs, but it's on the lowest speed. So I'll turn that on here in a second and show you what kind of heat you can get from just this wheel. Okay, here we go. Here's the copper pipe. Got it in my hand. Pretty cool. Magnets are cool. Everything's cool. Magnets are cool, no heat. After a melt of solder. Even this part here is pretty warm to hold to. Okay, I want to show you a little close-up of the copper turning orange to give you a little idea of how hot it really gets. The wheel itself is cool. It's not even warm. The copper tubing, it's all I can do to hold on to it. So you can see there's no heat whatsoever on the magnets. And copper pipe still hot. Still a little bit too hot to hold. That will give you a little better idea than the other video.